welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing and showing you all the Molly Mae and Cosmetips beauty box. I got this last month. Sam kindly got it for me. He surprised me with it, and yeah, it was so nice of him. He knows I really like Molly Mae, and to be honest, we like watching Molly Mae and Tommy together as well. I just think she's such a genuine person and doesn't deserve like the hate that she gets sometimes. Like, it's absolutely horrific the amount of trolls that go after her. Yeah, I love Molly Mae, so when Sam got me this as a surprise, I was like so happy. I have watched Molly Mae's video on this. She did do her video herself, obviously introducing her beauty box, and I just thought it looked amazing. Before I get into showing you this box, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoy, subscribe down below if you haven't already, make sure you go follow me over on my social medias, they'll be on the screen right now, and let's just get into reviewing and showing you this box. Here is what the box looks like. How pretty is this? It just says Cosmetips times Molly Mae, the beauty box. So pretty, I love it. I have opened this box already, and that is because I just wanted to check all of the items over and everything, and I'm so happy I did, because there was one item missing, which I will get into when I'm showing you all these things, because thankfully Sam emailed them saying that obviously he wasn't happy that this item was missing. Obviously he's paid quite a bit of money for this box for an item to be missing, and it's not on really. But yeah, he managed to get hold of them through a second email. He did email them twice, emailed them once and they didn't reply, and then emailed them a second time, and thankfully they then replied and then said that they'd send it out to us. So now I have received that item to add to this box. Now I've got a full beauty box to show you all. So that is why this video took so long to come out, because when I first got it, I did pop it over on my Instagram. But yeah, that is just a little explanation. So I will show you the item, which item was left when we get into it. But basically you get a little booklet, and inside it just has like a little introduction, a picture of Molly Mae. Then on the other pages, it's just the things that actually come in it. So this box retailed for £110. Now that is amazing, because some of the items that you get in here are so expensive on their own anyway, and to have a box full of items that are way over like that whole price is just insane. So the actual value of this box is meant to be £320 for all the products added together if you bought them separately, but then when you buy this box it was £110. That's just amazing. I love it when people do this, or like brands and companies do this, like little beauty boxes, because you are getting a deal yourself, and the brands that are inside the box are getting deals as well, because they're widening their audience. So like, say if I like one of these items in this box, then I'm more likely to go buy it again. In total, you get 7 items in this box. So the first thing I'm going to show you, this is the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream by Sunday Riley. This, when I watched Molly Mae's video of this box, because she actually tested out the products in the video, she raved about this cream like so much, and this I think retails for like £60 on its own. I might be wrong, don't hold me at that. I'll put prices on the screen, what their retail price is singly, but because I got it in the box, it didn't really equate to that expensive. So this is what the cream looks like. I have tried this, and it is probably my new favourite moisturiser. It smells of orange peel, and yeah, it's just so thick and refreshing. So in the box you also get a little like spatula, so then you don't put all your dirty hands into the pot. Obviously you have clean hands when you're putting moisturiser on anyway, well you should have, but so then you don't have to keep popping your fingers in the pot and making it not very sanitized. You've got the little spatula, which I think is such a nice added like little touch. All of this goes a long way as well. Like, I've used it since I've had it, and I've only used like this much. But that is the first item, and I absolutely love this cream. The next thing I have is the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. Just looks like this. You've probably all heard of it. It's so popular and it's actually one of my all-time favourite mascaras. So I was so happy when I found out this was coming in this box. So I just love the packaging. It's a full-size mascara as well. It's not a mini. None of these things are minis. They're all full size as well. I forgot to mention that. So here is the mascara. I'm not actually going to untwist this and open it, but the wand is so good. If you haven't tried this mascara, then you need to, because you're missing out. It's insane. I love it. Next thing is this, and this is the Elemis Soothing Apricot Toner, Calming Facial Toner, and oh my gosh, it smells so nice and it is literally so refreshing. At the minute, my skin, I'm going through such a bad phase of like dryness. My skin is so dry and like itchy. I'm going to start using this more. Obviously, I do use the moisturising cream, but I haven't used this yet. I think I've sprayed it on my face once. But a little spritz after I've moisturised, after I've washed my face and showered and then moisturised. And then spray this over the top. It's just a toner. So, yeah, it's meant to be amazing as well. My mum's got this. Oh, it just smells so nice. And Elemis is such a luxurious like skincare brand as well. This is what it looks like. It's in like a yellowy apricot, I suppose, bottle. And yeah, full size again, and I'm sure this is quite expensive too. Next thing is this. This is a eyeshadow palette. Now, I don't really need any more eyeshadow palettes, but when I tell you I've been wanting to try a Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, when I tell you that I've been wanting to try a Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette for the longest time, I have. And this eyeshadow palette came in this box and I'm so happy. So this is the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I think this is one of their most popular palettes as well. Now, this palette is meant to be very expensive also. So I was literally so happy when I found out this was in this box. How beautiful is that? I love this that you get inside it. So this is what it looks like. And then this is like a little screen. But how cool is that? It's like a pair of eyes. I think that's like so unique. So obviously you get the mirror, and then here are the shades. It's such a me palette as well, with all the like warm tones and everything. These colours are perfect for like this time of year. It's just so beautiful. I love the fact that it's got like the pops of pink and purple in the middle as well here. So I cannot wait to start using this. Comes with a really good mirror as well, which is always handy. Like, I hate palettes that are so good but they don't come with mirrors, so then you have to bring a separate mirror yourself anyway. It's just, that's really annoying and frustrating. But yeah, so that is the palette. It's insane. I cannot believe that that comes in this like box either. If you want me to do a makeup look with the palette or anything, then let me know down below. If you want to see any makeup videos from me, I've like kind of stemmed away from makeup videos because I prefer like fashion and things at the minute. Don't get me wrong, I still love my makeup. I've got literally so much makeup, it's ridiculous. And I still love doing my makeup, but I don't film it anymore because I don't know, I've just branched out more and I do different type of videos now. So if you do want to see any makeup related videos, then just let me know in the comments down below or tell me over on Instagram. I'm always willing to chat to you all over there as well. So yeah, just let me know. Sticking on to the makeup theme, we also have some brushes. These are Spectrum brushes, and Spectrum is such a big brand as well, like for makeup brushes. So these are Spectrum, my brushes are better than yours. And this is what they look like. How stunning are these? They are grey, rose gold and white. I'm going to get one out. Oh, that didn't really peel very well. I'm going to get one out, and actually they look so fluffy. So I'm going to try, feel one. Oh my god, they don't smell the best, but oh wow, they are like so luxurious. Tell you what they smell like. Can you remember when, well, anyone that's my age, or you could be younger, could be older, you might remember, but when I was younger, I think they're still around to be fair, the aliens that used to come in eggs with slime and that, they smell like that. Don't ask me how I remember what they smell like, but yeah, they really smell like that. But they are so soft and lovely. So here is one up close. How fluffy. I don't need any more brushes because I have literally got so many. I've got all of these, and then I've got all of these, and then I've also got a whole case in my wardrobe as well of other brushes that I have but that I don't really use that much. I don't actually need any more brushes, but I'm still grateful because these are absolutely beautiful and I will definitely use them. I think, how many brushes do you get in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You get 12 brushes in here, so there's a few face brushes and then a few eye brushes as well. Wow, this brush looks like it's going to be such a good highlighter brush. So these are such a good lot of brushes and I'm excited to use them. Moving on to the last two things now. So going back onto skincare, we have got the Murad Resurgence oh my god, my words today. Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. I never use eye serums. I don't think I've ever used an eye serum. Maybe like once or twice I've used like my mum's or something. But I've never like incorporated it into my skincare. But Molly Mae raved about this as well. Obviously she's going to rave about all of this stuff because it's all of her favourites. But this is meant to be amazing. She swears by it. So you've got to use it AM and PM. Gently pat around the eye area, including the eyelid. So yeah, I'm going to incorporate this as well. I have tested this out a few times and it does feel really nice and smooth. So I don't know if it gets rid of dark circles. I've had a lot of dark circles at the minute. But yeah, I've not used it like drastically, if you get me. I've only used it like once or twice. So yeah, I'm definitely going to add this into my daily skincare routine as well. And use this alongside the toner and the Sunday Riley moisturiser too. So yeah, it's quite a good size bottle as well. As you can see, you only need a little tiny pump of this as well, because all you do is just pat it on these two fingers and then pop it under your eyes and then you're good to go. I know it's always hard though to invest your money in skincare stuff, because I was never one of them people that would like invest my money into it. And then when my skin went bad, oh my god, I just needed to change like my routine drastically. My skin is so much better now than it was. It used to be awful, like with spots and everything. Don't get me wrong, I still get spots, like I'm human. Of course I'm still gonna get spots, but yeah, it's so much better than it was, and that's because I'm actually taking care of my skin and doing a proper skincare routine. So the last thing I got inside this box is a Huda Beauty lipstick. Now this is the little thing that didn't make its way inside my box when I first received it. So this is what Sam had to email them for and just say, look, we're missing an item out of the box. Is there any way that you could send us it, please? We sent them pictures and everything, so then they didn't think that we were lying, because I know some people literally say that they're missing things when they're actually not. So this is the Huda Beauty lipstick in shade Prom Night, and oh my gosh, it is such a beautiful colour. I've never had a Huda lipstick before, and the packaging is just so luxurious. So this is what it looks like. It's like an ombre effect, and then it's also like magnetic, as you can see. But yeah, this is what it looks like. How gorgeous is that shade? I'll do a little swatch for you. Oh, it's so soft as well. Now I'm gonna like this, because you know lipsticks, when you know that they're gonna just dry your lips out, this doesn't feel like that, because it actually feels like it's gonna be like moisturizing rather than mattifying. So this is the little swatch. That is the colour that it is. So nice, and with like a darker lip liner, that is just going to look lovely. So that is the end of this video. I really do hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below what your favourite product was out of this box. I think mine, oh, I don't even know. I can't even choose. I love them all. But probably the moisturiser is my favourite, because I've got the most use out of it at the minute. But yeah, I do absolutely love them all. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go follow me over on my Instagram and my TikTok. They'll be on the screen right now. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.